Habol ko lang po sana, you have mentioned po, sir, kanina na yung 20 pesos na bigas, per kilo na bigas. Kailan po kaya yun i-expect natin na marirealize? May ano po ba tayo? May timetable po tayo for this?
Yesterday, if not sooner. Lahat ng timetable ko, yesterday, if not sooner. Lahat yan, ASAP. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Kasi minamalas din tayo sa weather eh. Kaya hindi mo matiyak kung ano yung magiging production, ano yung magiging supply. Oo. So, tingnan natin. Pababa na ng pababa. We'll keep working on it.
Thank you po.
Kung hindi kasama sa plano, ba't hindi natin sabihin ngayon na hindi kasama sa plano?
So, His Excellency, again, the question is as a campaign promise of the President,
Kaya madali lang namang sagutin na ang problema umiiwas sa sagot.
using the program that you have.
As the President has also said, that is our aspiration, Mr. Chair.
Ang aspiration, ang tanong ko kung kasama sa plano. Aspiration, kahit kami mag-aspire ako ng 15 pesos kung gusto ko. Pero ang tanong ko, dahil campaign promise ito, nakasama doon sa roadmap, nakasama ito sa plano natin, na dapat, self-sufficient tayo by 2028. Ito ang
That is our goalpost when it comes to reducing the cost, Mr. Chair.
hindi kaya o hindi.
I cannot answer that, Mr. Chair. Whether
Kung hindi, I mean, kung hindi 2028, kailan? At least nakasama sa plano. Kasi obvious naman hindi kasama sa plano. Ang point ko lang, wag tayong magbulahan dito, Mr. Chair. Kung wala, di wala.
I think the statement of Congressman Cataman is right, because the one who advised the President are the officials, and if you promised him 20 pesos per kilo, maybe you're misleading the President.
We never promised.
That's why, is your plan to make rice of self-sufficiency, I'm just referring to questions, this plan of yours, and then we're funding it, will this mitigate at least at what percentage or price can we go? Is it 25, 30 pesos when we are self-sufficient?
Mr. Chair, to be honest, we never discuss about those things that you're asking, Mr. Chair, with the President.
Yes, but when the President tells you that public this, you are required to create a plan to make sure that at least the price of rice should go down, as already been explained by our chairperson. And the Speaker has already identified a couple of sources, even going himself to other countries like Vietnam to secure our buffer stock and all of this. So please include this in your plan so that you can answer our Congressman Cataman.